statistics? Let's understand its definition and uses of stats. What is statistics? Statistics is the study of how we gather, look at, and understand data. Or we can say statistics is the branch of mathematics that deals with study of collecting, organizing, presenting, analyzing, interpreting data to help us understand information better. So it's the branch of mathematics which deals with these. So let's understand the parts of statistics. These are the parts of statistics: collecting, organizing, presenting, analyzing, and interpreting data. Let's understand them. So let's understand the parts of statistics. First is collecting data, which means gathering information like survey results or by measurements. Second is organizing data, means arranging the data neatly so it's easier to understand and analyze. Next is presenting data, showing data visually using charts, graphs, or tables. Analyzing data means looking closely at numbers for finding patterns or trends. And the last, interpreting data, understanding what the results mean. Let's understand these parts with the help of example. Like, you ask your classmates what is your favorite pet and note their answer. So you're collecting the data by asking the questions about what their favorite pet is. Then after the information, you're going to organize that data. You list the answers, like you'll write the name of the pets on the one side, dog, cat, rabbit, etc., and count how many people chose each pet. Like dogs liked by 5 people or the 50 people, or cat liked by 30. You'll write the number on the other side. Now presenting data, showing data visually using charts, graphs, or tables. So here you can simply make a bar graph to show how many people like which type of pet. Analyzing data means looking the numbers closely. So you observe that more students prefer dogs than the other pets. So after looking at the numbers, you understand that which pet is preferred by most of the people or the students. Now, interpreting data, you conclude that the dogs are the most popular pet in your class, in your city, where you gather the data. So this way, we use statistics by these parts. So first we collect data, then we organize it, then we present with the help of charts or graphs or tables, then analyze that which is maximum, which is minimum, and then we conclude the result by interpreting data. So these are the parts, and this is the definition of the statistics only. Now the uses of statistics. The first use, decision making. Store owners analyze sales data to stock popular items. So what store owners do? They analyze the previous sales and then they check out the which stock was popular in the previous years or the months. So they take that popular stock more in their stores. Health trends, doctors track recovery rates to improve treatments. So they check out the previous recovery rates with the particular antibiotic, and then they check out the improvements, that how the patients are improving, how quick they are improving on the particular antibiotics. Analyzing test scores. Schools use test scores to identify subjects need more focus. So in your exams, you score in a particular subject and the school check overall result that on which subject the students are lacking behind. So where they need to focus more on. So market research, companies collect customer feedback to improve product. So what companies are collecting the customers' feedback. So it's just the statistics, the term of the statistics they are using, collecting the feedback and then improving their products. Sports analysis. Coaches use player stats to choose team members. So for the national level, international levels, the coaches use the team members by just looking at the stats of the players of the previous matches throughout the year. Weather predictions. Meteorologists analyze past data to forecast future conditions. So these are the uses of statistics where we use the stats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of our upcoming videos.